Welcome to this current affair and the history section lecture series. In this lecture, we will take martial arts of India. In this lecture, we are going to take Gatka, Kalaripayattu, Thangta, and the Malakamba. So these things were in the news. How we will see in this coming lecture, and what are these martial arts we will see. So moving ahead further, I request you to please go through this lecture till the end so that you will have a complete information regarding this topic. And further, I request you to please subscribe this channel because this is a new channel, so I need your support. So why is in this news all these martial arts? So sports ministry includes Gatka, Kalaripayattu, Thangta and Malkhamba in Khelo India Youth Games that has been started. So these things have been added in the Khelo India Youth Games, and the Khelo India program is a national yojana scheme for the development of a state's sports in India, launched in the year 2018, and the Khelo India Games 2021 are scheduled to be held in Haryana, and this sport ministry that has been added these martial art into this Khelo India Youth Game in the year 2021. That's why these things are in the news. So what are these martial art? Gatka, Kalaripayattu, Thangta and Malakamba. So what are these martial art? We will see in the coming slide. So Gatka, you can see the height from the land, their height from the land. So these are something called martial art. So martial doesn't see in the Japan, in the China and all. So in Indian tradition also this martial art is there, and we are carrying it forward in this till this modern era. So if we are adding these things in our sports, it is a very good thing for reviving our traditions. So more people will come and join such kind of sports, which will be a very healthy one also, which creates a body fit for the person and create a motivation for the other person to be fit and all. Okay, so Gatka, this is also one type of martial art that is originate from the state of Punjab, and it is a traditional fighting style of Nihang Sikh warriors and is used as a self defense, not as that to hit someone. Okay, so not taking actions to attack someone, it is as a self defense well sport, that is Gatka. Okay, now we will see Kalaripayattu. This is also self defense martial art. Kalaripayattu is a traditional martial art originated from Kerala, and it is believed to be the oldest surviving martial art in India, and it is also among the oldest martial art existing in the worldwide. It is supposed to be the oldest in the India. It is supposed to be the oldest for one of the oldest for the worldwide. Kalaripayattu that has been originated in the Kerala. So its origin back to at least 3rd century BC. Okay, so there is nothing much in the Kalaripayattu. So Thangta is a martial art from the Manipur. It is a form of martial art. Huin Langnoon, Thangta means armed combat. The other aspects of Huin Langnoon is a Sarit Sarak, unarmed fighting, and it is originating in the Manipur. And Thang means sword and Ta means spear, both of which are the primary weapons of the Huin Langnoon. So this Thangta has been also included in our this Khelo India Youth Games that is going to be in Haryana. So from Manipur also these are going to be come. So if you see this Kalaripayattu, this Kerala, it is present in Kerala. That one in that Gatka is in Punjab, that Thangta is in Manipur, then you will see Manakhamba is in the another part of our region. So if you see, all those states are separated at a very large distance, but if you see the mechanism, the martial art, all are looking similar only. Okay, so our tradition, the Indian tradition, is very rich, and we have a coordination, and with such program, with adding such things in the sports, we are helping in reviving our tradition only. Okay, so Malakhamba. So Malakhamba or Malkham is a traditional sports originating from the Indian subcontinent, in which gymnasts perform aerial yoga, or gymnastic postures and wrestling grips in concert of the vertical station or hanging wooden pole, cane or rope. So you can see this person, these are like hanging person, these are making stabilizing this rod. So this is something called Malakhamba, and 3 popular versions of Malakhamba are practiced using a shisham pole, cane or rope also, and in 2013 it was declared as the sport of Madhya Pradesh, state sport of Madhya Pradesh. So this is also one of the important point to remember. In 2013 Malkhamba was declared as a state sport of Madhya Pradesh. So I hope you have liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Your subscription is a form of payment for me. If you have any doubts, if you want any on-demand video lecture, please feel free to ping on my Twitter handle. Thank you.